Okay, we're going to do a video of this KX057-4 low hour machine, and got an experienced operator, Mike here, our technician and operator, is going to do it, and we're going to start off demonstrating the grapple, and then we'll go into a demo pile in back of us here. We don't have a area to dig in the ground with because it's a hard gravel lot here, but we'll do a pretty good video here for you. Had a pretty heavy rain here yesterday. All right, there you have it. And any impressions on the machine there, Mike?
It's a real strong machine. Everything is real comfortable and user friendly.
I
really like the Kubota excavators.
Yeah, make great machines. And all right, well, keep us in mind, and thank you.